In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a .gitignore file on your Eclipse. So let's see how you can do this thing. So here is my project and I'm going to create a .ignore file over here. And the .ignore file will be located always on the root level. That means the top level of this folder. So here testng, pom, these are the root level location, right? So I'm going to create a .gitignore file over here. So what I need to do, I'm going to right click over there and it will bring this menu. From here we have to choose new and then we have to choose the file. I'm going to choose file and here we need to type the name. I'm going to type the name as .gitignore and then I'm going to press this finish button. Once we press the finish button, it will create over there. So by default it will be hidden. So it is not showing like that. So if we switch to the project explorer, then we will be able to see that. And now we can define the files or folders you don't need to save during the version control or to push your code to like GitHub or your repository. So here is on sample .gitignore file which I created for my project. So we have to switch other editor. I'm going to click window and then show view, and from here I'm going to choose this one, project explorer, and the project explorer will be opened like this way. We can expand it and we can see like this way. Still the gitignore file is not there or some other things are not there. So to make it visible, we just need to click this small filter icon. I'm going to click here and it will bring this type of options. From here we have different types of things are there. So what we need to do, that inside the resource basically there is a checkbox. We just need to uncheck this thing and then after that we have to press this OK button to save it, and very shortly you will see the gitignore file is there. Now if we double click, you will see this is the gitignore file.